Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely brilliant Honda NT1100. Here we have a Honda NT1100 Voyager. This is a 2024 bike on a 24 plate with just 10,431 miles, one owner from new and a full service history, having been recently serviced at 10,044 miles. This bike is in excellent condition and comes with this very nice graphics paint protection kit. If that's not to your taste, it can come off. But I think it makes it stand out a bit and certainly would give you an element of safety over the standard black. Bar ends, mirrors and handguards all in excellent condition. The handguards there branded with NT, as you can see there. All the bodywork there courtesy of that graphics kit in excellent condition. As you can see, you've got the fog lamps fitted. All your exhaust super shiny and looking really good. As you can see, there's a light mark on the heat shield, but absolutely nothing to be concerned about. Panniers and top box, part of that Voyager kit, of course, colour coded and in great condition as well. There's a back pad there for the Pillion. Pillion also gets a comfort seat on this one. All top box there, all in great condition as well. Grab rails, seats, there's an air hawk seat, I believe they call that. So all built for comfort for sure. Foot pegs all good, no sign of any damage there. And the rear wheel also in great condition, no sign of any corrosion. And the rear tyre, plenty of life left in that one, as you can see. Engine, all good, no sign of any damage there. And the front forks, again, all good there. There's a radiator guard there. Front wheel, excellent condition. No dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches. And the front mudguard also gets the benefit of the paint protection kit. And that's in great condition as well. And the front tyre, plenty of life left. No sign of any stone chips, cracks or damage to the headlamps or indeed the rest of the fairing on the front of the bike, all in great condition. And the screen likewise superb. Another shot of the mudguard. There, the left hand side of the bike, same story as the right actually, very good condition. With no sign of any damage to the mirror, the bar end, or the lever there. All the bodywork here looking really good again. And the fog lamps down on the bottom, again no marks there, and the front wheel and forks all in good order. The bike's not the DCT version, but you do get the quick shifter on it, as you can see there. And the engine all looking very nice indeed. Petrol tank unmarked. Rear shock absorber, no sign of any corrosion or damage in there. There's a centre stand fitted. Chain and sprocket kit, all good. All looking really nice. And the rear wheel again in great condition. And the left-hand pannier again, all good. And the left-hand side of the top box likewise. So the top of the bike, as I said, no rips or tears in the seats. Paint protection kit on the back there, so that's all good as well. You've got the inner bags for all the boxes as well for this one. There's also heated grips, a TFT dash with Apple CarPlay and connectivity. You also get cruise control and anti-lock brakes. So if you are looking for a superb touring motorcycle, look no further than this brilliant Honda NT1100 Voyager. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this stunning Honda, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.